In this week's video, we're going to explore the beautiful town of Carlsbad, California, located on the Pacific Ocean between Los Angeles and San Diego. The major tourist attractions here are Legoland, California, and the seasonal flower fields. We stayed here for one night. I'm going to show you a little bit about our hotel, a fantastic place we ate, and give you a walking tour of the area right by the beach. We are staying at the Springhill Suites in Carlsbad, California. It is in a very centrally located, just about a block away from the beach. We're going to take a walk through Carlsbad, California. We're staying here one night. We're going to explore a little bit of the village around the hotel and the ocean. So I'll just take you on a little tour with us. And so far I've been very pleased with the hotel, so I'll give you a tour about the hotel as well. Now here is the Carlsbad Inn that is really close to the beach, but basically you can see just a block away is beach access. It's a beautiful hotel. We are on Carlsbad Boulevard, which follows the ocean. And then right about the town of Carlsbad, right near the hotel, it comes inland just about a block. And then there's a variety of shops and hotels here along this stretch of road. We'll walk along the village later, but for now we're going to head along the beach. It might get a little rainy later, so we want to be sure to get a little beach time before it comes this way. 264 Fresco wood fire kitchen seafood pizza. That looks like a delicious place to eat. And then we've got candy, yogurt, ice cream, coffee right here. Plenty of runners and landscapers. And a cute Mexican food, cocktails, taco bar right here. This is at the end of Carlsbad Village Road and Ocean. We've got beach access here. How beautiful. I want to take a couple of video clips right here. Pretty with those dark clouds. Rain is coming in. The next atmospheric river is about to hit the Southern California coast. It's been an extremely wet spring and winter. We are back on Carlsbad Boulevard. I spy the Starbucks. What is this Victorian building over here? It says San Diego. Oh, we got a surf shop right here. Caught my attention. Love a good surf shop. There's the little village fair across the street. We may wander in through there later. Ice cream, swimwear. Ooh, there's some pretty skirts in there. Mexican food. Witch Creek Winery. Ooh, that looks like a really neat place to try some wine. There's a coffee shop here as well. And the Strawberry Shack has caught my husband's attention, right next to Starbucks here. Chocolate dipped strawberries, cheesecakes, sundaes, shortcakes. Yummy. This is the corner of Carlsbad and Grand. There's a pokey place, the Village Fair restaurant and shops. We're gonna wander through here. Just a place called Gonzo, which I don't know what that is. And Banaka Cafe. Oh, it's a little two-story little shopping complex with some cafes, restaurants, and a little play area and some stores downstairs. This big Victorian house is right here. It's a store. They have some really cute clothes and they have like board rentals and stuff, so that's cool. Something going on. There's a little bar upstairs. That looks like a neat place. And then that building right there, it's the Daily News Cafe, breakfast, lunch, and espresso. All these cute little houses. A nice looking restaurant here. This is where the deck was. Say hi! Where are you guys from? Phoenix. Phoenix. All right, we're from Albuquerque, so very nice. Yes. Those are the Phoenix folks there. They wanted to say hi. They were from Phoenix. So there's a little lobster shack here. Looks interesting, except that our daughter doesn't like seafood. So this is where the road kind of splits, and our hotel is on this quadrant right here. I don't know if this is a hotel or apartments. Kind of looks like apartments. There's another beach wave place. There is a 7-Eleven. And I think there's some sort of restaurant there on the corner. Now that's either coffee brews or beer brews. Specialty sandwiches. Looks interesting. Oh, I see kegs. Those brews must be beers. Might be a good place for dinner. It's right next to the hotel. Oh, look at this. They even have like the fireplace outside right now. It's beautiful, beautiful. Hotel lobby. Back here, this is the business center and elevator and one spot out here. Let's go see what's out here. I'm a little confused. Now this way was a little eating area. I saw a fire heater. Like a beautiful little heater. Let's check it out. There it is. How pretty. Now, I'm assuming the pool and hot tub is down this way. Come out from that side door. We just came out of there. We're gonna head around this way. I think these are houses right here on the other side of the wall. They were probably not happy that a hotel was built right here. Okay, we're by the fitness center. I probably came out the door too early. And to get my key. So give me just a second to get my hotel key out. Here we go. See what we got back here. There's the hot tub. There's the pool. All right, we're gonna go through the exercise room back to our room. So here's the exercise room. The lights are out because nobody's in here. Pretty nice space, 2 treadmills, 2 bikes, and plenty of weights. Oh, there's the automatic lights. All right. Now they offered elite members, and I am a Marriott Gold member, a free sangria today and a little goodie bag, so that was appreciated, and the sangria was quite tasty. They do also make you use your hotel key for the elevator, so that's good security. I haven't seen many people that have made me feel uncomfortable, but it's nice to see they have that. This will show you just how close it is to the beach. We're gonna walk out from the front of the hotel and head left, which I believe is south. I'm not sure there's beach access down to the sand over here. There might be. It's a pretty shallow beach. There's not a lot of sand, and because of the storms they've had here in California, it's pretty rough surf. Now there is a fish cafe right here to eat. This is the intersection of Pine and Carlsbad. We're gonna go across, that says Carlsbad State Beach right there. We're gonna go see what kind of beach access is right across the street from the hotel. And this is right in front of the Best Western Plus Beach View Lodge. Also looks like a great place to stay. This is the Tamarack Beach Resort. The rain has found us here in Carlsbad. We were craving ramen tonight, and it turns out that that first restaurant there in Carlsbad Village was called Gonzo. We're gonna try that for some ramen tonight. I'll take you with us. Gonzo, and love, love, love the fire pits here. I gotta do away with my umbrella. It's super packed, so they came and they asked our name and they're gonna grab a table for us. Pretty good customer service, so you don't have to fend for yourself to grab a table. This place is so much fun. We devoured our food right away. They said it had only been open 3 years and that it's been a huge success. Guys, Gonzo was an absolutely fantastic restaurant, great dinner, delicious ramen, and it is absolutely happening. It's pouring the rain tonight. They said it wasn't as busy as normal, and we asked. It's only been open 3 years. They said the owners are super great people, and they also said that they were recently rated number 20 in the top 100 restaurants in the nation. So that is an up-and-coming spot you should definitely check out.